Assalamualaikum my dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take an elementary science class for class 4 students. Dear students, our today's topic is matching. Today we will do 3 matching based on our short syllabus. Let's see today's topic from here. Our today's topic is matching 1, 2 and 3, and this is lecture number 19, and our today's HW number is 15 number HW. So dear students, let's start the class. You can see I have written here 3 matching. Today we will solve this. At first look at here. 1 number matching, match the words on the left with the word on the right. That means we have to match from left side to right side. And how will you answer this matching in your exam? I will show you. And the first one here is will. Left side, in left side word, first word here is will. And we have to match with this right side word. What will be the answer? Will habitat is ocean. It will be match with ocean. Let's do it. 1 number match with, here is 4 number. And 2 number water hyacinth. Water hyacinth, it will be matched with 2 number. And 3 number here is lizard. Lizard habitat is desert. So we will match with 3 number to 1 number. And 4 number here is monkey. Monkey, it will be matched with forest. Monkey live in forest. That means 4 number will match with 3 number. And the last one, 5 number, the weather of the desert is, here is another 3 word remain here. What will be the right answer? The weather of the desert is extremely dry. We know the weather of desert is extremely dry. That means it will be matched with this point. Here is, this is the 7 number. 5 number will match with 7 number. That means in your exam you will get here in the left side here will be 5 word, and the right side here will be 7 word. And now how will you write this matching in your exam? I will show you. At first for 1 number, write 1. It is matched, it will match with 1 number with 4 number. Then we will write here 1 plus 4. Then we will write the left side word. What was the word? Will. And then put a hyphen here, and then write the right side word. That means ocean. And for 2 number match with 2 plus Roman number 2. Then write the left side word, water hyacinth. And put a hyphen here, and right side word is pond. Like this. Like this way you will write all of this matching. 3 number match with 1 number, and here is the left side word was lizard, and put a hyphen, and right side word is desert. And the 4 number match with 3 number, and then word here is monkey, and put a hyphen, and write down the right side word is forest. and the 5 number last one, it was matched with 7 number. Then just write down the left side sentence. The weather of the desert is, then right side word, extremely dry. Extremely dry. Right? Like this you will answer this matching. And the next one here is, look at here, matching 2 number. Matching 2 number here is match the words on the left with the word on the right. Let's solve this. Here is left side. First number is cause of soil pollution. Cause of soil pollution will be matched with C number. That means 1 to C. We will match 1 to C. That means littering garbage. Cause of soil pollution is littering garbage. And 2 number, prevention of soil pollution. Prevention of soil pollution. How will you prevention of soil pollution? It will be matched with putting garbage in specific place. It will be matched with, here is a D number. 2 will match with D number. And 3 number, soil fertility. Soil fertility, it will be matched with crop rotation. 3 number will be matched with A number. Right side's A number. And 4 number, effects of soil pollution. Effects of soil pollution is destruction of the nature. Effects of soil pollution is destruction of the nature. And the bricks, last one, bricks is made of, here is the left 3 point left. What will be matched with this? Bricks is made of soil, right? Then we will match with this. For matching 2, you will write the same procedure of matching 1 number. Now we will do matching 3 number. Match the words on the left with the words on the right. Here is first point, grain group. From this right side, grain group is rice. That means 1 number will be matched with E number. Let's do it. E number. And then vegetables group. Vegetables group here is cauliflower. Then 2 number will be matched with D number here. And the fruits group here is mango. 3 number will match with A number. And milk group. Milk group here is yogurt. It will be matched with B number. And the last one here is oil and fat group. Oil and fat group, from here, which one? Soybean oil. That means 5 number will be matched with C number. So dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Now I will give you HW. Our today's HW number was 15 number HW. And what will be your HW? Your HW will be matching number 3. Matching number 3 is here. This one, it will be your HW. So dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your assigned HW in your HW copy. So dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.